In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an HTML email template to Mailchimp. Whether you're looking to create a professional email campaign or simply want your communication to stand out, using an HTML email template can be a game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take a pre-designed template, import it into Mailchimp, and fine-tune it to suit your needs. This process is perfect for marketers, small business owners, or anyone who wants to create beautiful, functional emails with minimal hassle. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Mailchimp account. Head over to the Mailchimp website, enter your credentials, and access your dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll see Mailchimp's user-friendly interface, which makes navigating through the platform a breeze. From here, locate the main menu and click on the Campaigns section. This is where all of your email campaigns and templates are stored. Now, select the email template you want to work with. If you've already got a campaign or template in progress, you can easily find it here. Once you've chosen the right one, click the Edit button next to it. This will give you the option to edit design, which is what we'll need to do to integrate your HTML email template. Selecting Edit Design opens up the content editor, where you'll be able to customize your email layout. Within the content editor, you'll see a variety of tools and elements that you can use to build your email. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the code block option. This is a powerful tool that allows you to directly input HTML code into your email design. Locate the code block in the Options panel. It's usually on the right-hand side. Once you've found it, simply drag and drop the block into your email layout. This creates a placeholder where we'll paste the HTML code in just a moment. Next, we'll switch over to Brie.io. If you're not already familiar with Brie.io, it's a platform that allows you to design or select pre-made HTML email templates. First, log in to Brie.io or create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, you can either browse their library of templates or design your own from scratch. Take your time to find or create an email template that fits your brand and campaign goals. When your email template is ready, look for the Export button, which is typically located at the top or side of the editor. Click on it and select the option to copy HTML. This will copy the HTML code for your email template to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted into Mailchimp. Now let's return to Mailchimp. Go back to the content editor where you added your code block earlier. Click inside the code block and paste the HTML code you copied from Brie.io. This will instantly populate your email with the design and layout from your HTML template. Take a moment to review your email in the preview pane. Mailchimp provides a live preview feature that lets you see exactly how your email will look to your recipients. This is a great opportunity to double-check your formatting, adjust any text or images, and ensure everything looks exactly as you want. If you notice any issues, you can fine-tune the design directly within Mailchimp's editor. And that's it. You've successfully imported an HTML email template into Mailchimp. With just a few simple steps, you've turned a static design into a fully functional email that's ready to send to your audience. Whether it's for a newsletter, promotion, or announcement, your email is now polished, professional, and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.